Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change system language on Windows 10. So, let's get started. First things first. Click on the search menu on the bottom left. Then search for Settings. Once you are in Settings, click on Time and Language section. Then click on Language section. Then click on Add Language. Add your preferred language. After selecting your language, click on Next. Then select if you want to set this as Windows default language. You can select which things you want to download with language. Then click on Install. As you can see that it is installing. Once it is installed, then select your language from this option called Windows Display Language. Then your language will be changed. And that's how you change system language on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.